Unlocking the secrets of cooking phrases. Grill until charred. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that you might come across in cooking recipes or when talking about preparing food. Grill until charred. Whether you're a language learner aiming to expand your vocabulary or a culinary enthusiast looking to perfect your cooking terminology, this video is for you. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this phrase. The phrase, grill until charred, might sound simple, but it's packed with specific instructions and culinary expectations. Let's break it down. Grill. This is a method of cooking that involves direct heat. Food is placed on a grill rack above a heat source, which can be charcoal, wood, a gas flame, or electric heat. Grilling is popular for its ability to impart a distinct flavor and texture to the food. Until, this word signals a duration or condition that should be met. It indicates that the grilling process should continue up to a certain point. Charred. Charred means slightly burnt. When food is charred, it has a blackened exterior that is usually the result of high heat. This blackening can add a rich, smoky flavor and a crispy texture to the food, which is often desired in many dishes. You might wonder, why do recipes often specify to grill until charred? Here are a couple of reasons. Flavor enhancement. The process of charring can enhance the food's flavor, adding a smoky and sometimes slightly bitter taste that complements the natural flavors of the food. Texture. Charring introduces a crispy texture to the outer layer of the food, providing a pleasant contrast to the tender interior. Visual appeal. Foods that are grilled until charred have a visually appealing, rustic look that can make the dish more appetizing. Achieving the perfect char without burning your food to a crisp requires some know-how. Here are a few tips. 1. Preheat the grill. Ensure your grill is adequately preheated. A high temperature is crucial for charring. 2. Monitor closely. Charring happens quickly, so keep a close eye on your food to prevent it from burning beyond the desired point. 3. Use oil sparingly. Lightly oiling the food can help prevent sticking and promote an even char. However, too much oil can cause flare-ups. 4. Don't overcrowd. Give your items plenty of space on the grill to ensure even heat distribution and proper charring. We hope this exploration of the phrase, grill until charred, has illuminated its meaning and importance in the culinary world. Whether you're penning your next recipe or standing by the grill, understanding this phrase can elevate your cooking game and your language skills. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you feel more confident in both your English comprehension and your culinary endeavors. Happy grilling, and see you in the next video.